A very good morning, dear students. Today we will learn critical thinking. So, first of all, we will understand what is a critical thinking. A critical thinking is a type of thinking. It is a type of thinking in which we ask the questions that why this thing happens or how we can do this. So this type of thinking where we can arise our thinking skills, our imagination skills is known as critical thinking. So our first topic in critical thinking learning is Venn diagrams. The topic name is Venn diagrams. Now first of all, see diagrams. It means we will learn this topic with the help of diagrams. Usually the diagrams are of shape circle. Okay, this is the normal commonly used shape that we use in Venn diagrams. Now there are different type of questions, there are different type of relation which we can relate them, we can solve them with the help of Venn diagrams. Now what are Venn diagrams? If I say I have a relation like chair, table and furniture. Okay, chair, table and furniture. Now you must have noticed that furniture is a bigger thing. From furniture we can make table, we can make chair, or chair and table both comes in furniture. So these type of relations or these type of questions we can solve with the help of Venn diagrams. Now there are different type of operations, there are different types of things in Venn diagrams when we solve them. First of all, see, first name is union. First name is union. As the name suggests, union means combining. Union means together. It means if you have a collection or you have a group of people, a group of teachers, a group of animals, any group, and if you have any two groups, then if you are taking their members as together, it means you are combining their members, then this thing will come under union. For example, if I say I have one collection that I will represent by diagram, I have one collection as group of teachers. Okay? And I have one collection as group of doctors. These are two types of collection. These are two types of groups in which one is of teachers group and one is of doctors group. Now I have to combine these two groups as union. Union means we are combining these two groups. How are we combining? We are representing this union as, first I will take this teachers group and then I will take this doctors group. Okay, first I will take teachers group. This is circle that represent teachers group. This is a circle that represent doctors group. Okay, this is teachers and this is doctors. Now if I am representing the circle, both circles in this way, what is this representing? This is representing that there are teachers, this circle, this complete is a circle of teachers and this complete is a circle of doctors. So it means I am taking both members. I am taking teachers as well as I am taking doctors. So this complete shaded part is known as union. Union means you are taking first group as well as second group. You are combining them. Now second part is intersection. Second part is intersection. Intersection means intersection. it means common part. Intersection means common part. First we discussed union. Union means combined part or together. Now come to intersection. Intersection means common part. Common parts means if I am taking one circle and second circle, and if I have to take the common part of these two groups, if I have to take the common part of these two groups, then I will take that as intersection. How will I represent? First see, this is a doctor's group. This is a teacher's group. And this is a doctor's group. Okay. Now doctors, is this a complete circle? So doctor will come here also. And teacher, is this a complete circle? So teacher will come in this part also. See here, this part, this middle part is a part where teachers are also present and doctors are also present. This is the common part, or this is the intersection part where teachers are also present and doctors are also present. So by the help of Venn diagram, I can represent the intersection as this common part, as this shaded region, and union was this complete shaded region. This was the union and this was your intersection. Okay. Now let's come to this relation. Chair, table and furniture. Okay, this is a question and I have to ask, or someone will told me that draw a Venn diagram for this relation. How will I proceed? How will I do? First of all, see that the bigger collection is of furniture, because chair comes under furniture, table comes under furniture. So first of all, I will draw the bigger circle for furniture. Okay, this is the circle for furniture. I am writing here. Now see, chair comes under furniture. It means I will draw my circle for chair in this circle, inside this circle, inside few furniture. So here I am drawing chair. Now see, table. Is there any relation between chair or table? Or are these two different things? Obviously these are two different things. There is no relation. We cannot say that chair comes under table or table comes under chair. So these are two different collection, but these two things, see, table also comes under furniture. So I will draw the circle for table under furniture here. I will write here table. But see, I have drawn these two circles differently. I have not taken any common part in between these two. Why? Because these are different collection. One does not come to another. So I say this is a circle of furniture, this is chair and this is table. This is the Venn diagram for above relation. Okay? Let's discuss one more question for your better understanding. See, the question is, the relation given is judge, thief and criminal. Judge, thief and criminal. Now see, judge is different. Judge is a different collection or different group from thief and criminal. So we can make a circle for judge. Okay? Done. Now come to this part. Thief and criminal. What about their relation? Is there any relation? Yes. Why? Because thief can be a criminal. Thief can be a criminal. So it means criminal is bigger collection that includes thief also. So we can say that we are making this circle as criminal, and in criminal thief will come. Okay, so this complete This complete diagram is known as Venn diagram for above relation. See, here judge is not related to thief as well as criminal. So I am making different circle for judge. Now for thief and criminal, criminal is a bigger collection that includes thief as well. So I will make thief under criminal. Now it's your turn to tell me the answer. I am giving you a relation. The relation is week, day and year. Week, day and year. Now tell me the correct Venn diagram. Tell me the correct Venn diagram. I am giving you just 1 minute. This is very easy. Tell me the correct answer.